Because God can do everything. Even God can do something out of nothing. Ano? Kaya mga kapatid, no? Ano man ang laki ng problema mo, your problem is bigger and bigger, but your God is bigger than your problem. Ano? Mas malaki ang Diyos kaysa sa problema mo. Kung ang problema may kasing laki na Goliath, o sabihin natin, ang problema mo ay kasing laki ng dagat, malaki na yun. But the solution of God is just like the heaven. Mas malaki ang langit kaysa sa dagat. Ano? Kaya mga kapatid, I encourage you, I don't know why God putting this in my heart, that you need to trust the Lord. In the situation like this, na wala ka ng pupuntahan, wala ka ng mahihingan, wala ka ng susuutan, everything is in you. You have a connection, you have money, you have fame, you have position, you have everything. But there is a fight that you cannot conquer. The only thing that you conquer your fight is to trust God. Because He is the only one who can help you. Ang Diyos lamang ang makakatulong sa'yo. Kahit paano ang laki ng problema mo, si Lord lang ang makakatulong sa'yo.